Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. 11 Ways to Improve Emotional Well-Being. Emotional health is an important part of mental health. Being mentally healthy is visible in all domains of your life. You are more productive at work, more engaged in your family life, happier when you practice your hobbies, and more satisfied with your sleep quality. Being emotionally healthy focuses solely on how you react to emotional moments, how you label your emotions, and how they impact your decision-making process. Emotions are a big and important part of our everyday life. Some people are more emotional than others, and even though this is mostly seen as a bad thing, it is not. Everyone feels emotions and they are universal. There are many theories about emotions, but all of them acknowledge that there are some basic emotions: happiness, anger, fear, disgust, sadness, and surprise. The range of emotions people feel is much wider, of course, but all other emotions are a combination of these 6. Emotional health is important for everyone. Taking care of yourself is equally important, especially because your emotional health has a huge influence on your behavior, mind, and body. Poor emotional health leads to lower immunity, thus a greater possibility of catching diseases. You might also feel that you can only feel negative emotions and be overwhelmed by them. Taking care and boosting your emotional health is essential for a healthy body and mind. Here are 11 ways you can practice better stress management and boost your self-esteem. These strategies will help you stay resilient through everyday stresses and when larger personal issues arise. The tips we are about to provide you are from Dr. Jeff Gardner, a board-certified clinical psychologist from New York. 1. Grow your circle of friends to expand your support system. It's very important that you have a support group of friends and family, Dr. Gardner says. You need people whom you can talk to about your problems, people who will listen to you when you need to get things off your chest, so that you know you're not alone in whatever it is. 2. Learn more to lessen the fear of the unknown. Knowledge is power, Gardner says. If you have a problem, learn whatever you can about the issue or the health condition you're facing. The more you know, the less you will fear what might happen, Gardner says. 3. Get moving to improve mood and lessen anxiety. Any form of exercise that you enjoy will do. Regular exercise works as a good partner for people who are on medication, Gardner says. Exercise also works well for people who have mild or moderate depression and don't need to be on medication. Think of it as a great tool for stress management. 4. Have sex to build confidence and self-worth. Intimacy within a committed relationship has all sorts of emotional benefits. It can help make you feel good about yourself and boost self-esteem. Figure out a schedule that works for you and your trusted partner. That could be once a week or 3 times a week or twice a month. 5. Develop a passion by investing time in a new hobby. Everyone should have at least one hobby, Gardner says, whether it's taking care of plants, collecting antiques, or listening to music. You should do something that brings you some real joy, a passion that's all yours and that no one can take from you. Having a hobby and taking pride in it is a great way to boost self-esteem. 6. Eat and drink healthfully and in moderation. Alcohol can be a good stress reducer, but you must indulge in extreme moderation, Gardner says. The same advice applies to indulging in food. You can eat what you want and enjoy it as long as you eat smaller portions and get regular exercise, he says. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for your physical and your emotional health. 7. Meditate or practice yoga to relieve stress. These types of activities are effective for stress management. Meditation is a focused form of guided thought. Yoga and Tai Chi, while movement-oriented, are also proven stress busters. Other stress-reducing techniques include deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. If you're unsure of how to get started, take a class and learn how to practice on your own for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. 8. Manage your time by setting weekly goals. If you make a schedule and set goals for yourself for the week, you'll be more on top of your days, and when you're more on top of your days, you're more on top of your life, Gardner says. As you cross off the tasks on your to-do list, you will feel a sense of accomplishment which will help reduce stress. 9. Get enough sleep to maintain energy and increase productivity. People who get a good night's sleep wake up with more energy and tend to be more productive, Gardner says. If you are overly tired, every task and responsibility can seem exaggerated, and even small problems will feel like big ones. 10. Learn to say no and refrain from overextending yourself. If you try to do more than you can handle, you will only end up frustrated and stressed out. If someone asks you to do something you absolutely can't do, say no. At the very least, ask for help. And if you can't do it, explain why, kindly but firmly. 11. Laughter is associated with happy and funny moments. You can laugh when you watch a movie, play games with your friends, or tell jokes. There are a lot of stimuli that can make you laugh, and there are a lot of positive effects laughter has on your emotional health. Laughing is linked to less stress and tension, and a lot of relaxation. When we laugh, we feel good, and this feeling will boost our emotional health. Nurturing your mind is as important as nurturing your body, and it will make you better able to handle whatever life throws at you. However, if your emotional problems are serious and you can't seem to shake them yourself, or if you're having issues with anxiety or depression, it's very important that you see a mental health professional and get help.